Hi, this is Grace with WTI. I wanted to share with you one of my favorite supplements that I've been currently taking from Kind Nature. These are the Berberine Gummies. So recently I've been doing a lot of research and I wanted to incorporate berberine into my diet. I was looking for some gummies and I'm really glad I found these. This is a 6-in-1 formula, so it has berberine, Ceylon cinnamon, beetroot, resveratrol, zinc, and chromium piconolate. This formula is also soy-free, vegan-friendly, gluten-free, naturally flavored, and is formulated here in the United States. These gummies are chewable, they're easy to swallow, they have a really yummy berry taste, so it's going to make you feel like you're eating candy. They're sweetened with monk fruit, which is a natural sweetener that won't raise your blood sugar. And you can see its size here as compared to a nickel, so they're nice and bite size. So I take 2 of these gummies once a day. They come 60 in a bottle, so they're about a month's supply, and I feel like for the price point, it is very good. So although there are various berberine supplements out there in the market, I really do like these ones from Kind Nature. They're easy to take, and I'm really looking forward to see how they help control my glucose levels. I think you will like these, but that's just my point of view.